The MED-X3 electric drum set feels surprisingly solid for an entry-level kit, with a metal rack and full mesh pads that give a realistic rebound while keeping noise low enough for apartment practice. Its combination of a mesh snare, 3 mesh tom pads, and responsive silicone cymbals offers an expressive playing surface that reacts well to dynamics and rim shots, so beginners can develop proper technique. The sound module packs a generous library of well-recorded drum and percussion voices along with multiple preset kits, covering everything from basic rock to more specialized styles without feeling like a toy. Built-in coaching tools such as a metronome, play-along options, and a clear display make it easier for new drummers to build timing and coordination without needing extra gadgets. Connectivity is a real strength, with a headphone output for quiet practice, an auxiliary input for jamming with songs, and a USB MIDI port that lets you trigger software instruments or record into a computer. Because it arrives as a complete package with pedals, sticks, and headphones already included, the MED-X3 electric drum set works especially well as a first serious kit or a compact practice rig for returning players.